Hi, I'm Mike Hosh with Redline Detection, and we're here at the JLR Academy in Irvine, California. And Martin here has been very gracious in allowing us to validate our HV battery enclosure tester built based on the JLR specifications that have been sent to us. A couple important things about the product. And you're going to see a video in a little bit of us actually hooking up to the vehicle and performing a couple tests. But we built this product not only to JLR specs, but I think we built it beyond the specs. We have 3 separate onboard pumps, so there's no cross-contamination, with additional safety features in there to ensure that there's no overpressurization. So we're very pleased with the way it turned out, and we're excited to be able to show you how it performs. So we're able to perform all 3 of the different tests that were required: the overpressure and underpressure on cooling systems, and then the overpressure for the battery enclosure. So JLR gave us some very difficult specifications to be able to obtain. We were able to do that. So the fill rates we're able to achieve. We also built a test in there to where if we know it's going to fail, you don't have to wait for the entire test to be completed. It already tells you that you've got a significant leak, so the technician's not going to be wasting a lot of time. We also made this to where you're running it remote through a remote device, including your JLR scan tool device, so it's operated remotely, as well as you'll see the data output. So the data logging is already incorporated into that, so you'll see the pass-fail results as well as the actual data that the vehicle's putting out.
Let's take a look at the first test, the battery enclosure overpressurization leak down test on a 2020 I-Pace. First, remove all covers, ventilation tubing at quick coupler. Simply install the test connector hose. Initiate battery enclosure overpressurization leak down test on your remote device. The system performs an automated pressurization to proper specifications utilizing an internal pressure pump. After the pressurization cycle, the system performs an automated leak down test, including stabilization and timed leak down based on JLR specifications. At the end of the leak down test, the system gives a detailed printable report of the test results, pass or fail. The system performs a cooling system overpressurization test and a cooling system underpressurization test using individual pumps.
So as you can see, we performed the test flawlessly. We had pass, and we provided the data out of it. But more importantly, I want to talk about Redline. This is what we do. This is our business. We've delivered more OEM essential tool programs than any other company out there. We have a reputation for not only being on time, but our customer service is unmatched. And the great news is, it looks like we've come in at your cost target that you were looking for. Our ability to collaborate with our OEM partners to ensure a flawless rollout, both on the training side and the support side, is unmatched.